Alright, finished product. Not too bad for my first go around. The pigment, the colors didn't match right, so it's a little darker than I want it to be, or what it should be. So I mean, that's going to be just some trial and error on my part to get it where it should be. But other than that, it turned out pretty good. Not bad for my first go around. There we go. Looks pretty well blended. That side there looks a little bit more gummy, but ain't nothing a little bit of file work won't fix. Get all that smooth spots out. But to show you, there it is. There's the broken arrowhead.
Huh.
But you get it out of light. So, I mean, there's no way. You know, there's no way you could fake that and pass it on as a real one, and that's what I like about it. It gives it the look as, you know, it would have been whole or somewhat close to it. But all you gotta do is do that, and you'll know right away that it's been repaired. So I like that. Anyway.
My man of many talents.
Yeah. Right. Anyway, like I said, my first attempt. Not too bad. Could be better. I got a lot to improve upon. And I got boxes and boxes of broke stuff that has no value whatsoever.
The box.
And then that box over there is full of stuff. So if I can find something that I think I can do, then I'm going to do it. I'm going to learn. I'm going to figure out how to do it and do it right. I'm going to learn how to mix my colors better to the original stone. So yeah, that being said, thanks for watching, guys.
Good job.
Grab that point, babe. Hold up. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk at you later. Tell me what you guys think. Take it easy.